This lecture is on the classification of matter. Matter must have these two properties. One, a known mass, and two, occupy space. The picture shown here is a cup of coffee. First, matter can be differentiated in accordance to their states. The three states of matter commonly exist in are 1, solids, 2, liquids, and 3, gases. Solids have these properties. 1, a definite shape, 2, a definite volume, 3, incompressible, 4, distance between particles are close together, 5, vibrates between particles in their molecular motion. Liquids have these properties. 1, an indefinite shape, 2, a definite volume, 3, incompressible, 4, distance between particles are close together, and 5, free to move around in its container. Gases have these properties. 1, an indefinite shape, 2, an indefinite volume, 3, compressible, 4, distance between particles are far apart from each other, 5, free to move around in its container. Here is a picture showing the three states of matter, solids, liquids, and gases, in molecular view exhibiting its properties. We have discussed what matter must contain and what states of matter does substance exist in. Now our focus is on its classification. Let's look at it in more detail. Pure substances are comprised of a fixed, definite composition of an atom or compound. Their chemical and physical properties are fixed. Compounds can break down into their elements by chemical reactions. Categories that fall under pure substances are 1, elements, 2, compounds. Here below are examples of these two types of pure substances. On the left is a picture of sodium, an element, and on the right is a picture of table salt, a compound. Pure substances can be further broken down into two additional classes for both elements and compounds. Note, elements are comprised of one type of atom. Atomic elements are substances that do exist as single atoms in nature. Examples are argon and iron. Molecular elements are substances that do not exist as single atoms in nature, but instead exist with at least two atoms bonded together covalently. Examples are hydrogen and oxygen. Note, compounds are comprised of two or more types of atoms. Ionic compounds are substances comprised of cations and anions in its formula unit. Examples are sodium bromide and calcium oxide. Molecular compounds are substances comprised of two or more nonmetals held together by covalent bonds in its molecule. Examples are carbon dioxide and water. Mixtures are comprised of a variable composition which their chemical and physical properties are variable. Separation of mixtures can be done by appropriate separation techniques, including filtration and distillation. Categories that fall under mixtures are 1, homogeneous, 2, heterogeneous. Homogeneous mixtures are commonly known as solutions that, when mixing two or more pure substances, result in a uniform composition. Heterogeneous mixtures are substances that, when mixing two or more pure substances, result in a non-uniform composition. Note, mixtures may be comprised of any combination of elements or compounds. Here are examples of each type of mixtures. Soda is an example of a homogeneous mixture, and a chicken sandwich is an example of a heterogeneous mixture. Here is an overview of matter broken down in its hierarchy from the categories mentioned under pure substances and mixtures. Here are some review exercises starting with number 1. Classify the following substances as either elements or compounds. A, helium, B, sugar, and C, krypton. Review exercise number 2 asks, classify the following substances as either homogeneous mixtures or heterogeneous mixtures. A, salt water, B, dry air, and C, fruit juice. For the remaining part of this lecture are solutions to review exercises or problems. Please view only after completing these exercises.